Hello, my name is Adrian and I own Westfield Nurseries in Whittlesey near Peterborough, and I bought a Dunster House, Severn Log Cabin. We were prompted to look for a log cabin because we wanted to grow our business. We've got a garden centre that we've been settled into for a few years, and we just wanted to move that on by putting in a coffee shop. I came across Dunster House online. Obviously there's quite a big presence once you start looking at various people trying to sell log cabins. Dunster House and their websites stood out to us because it just looked professional. Lots of offers, lots of different types of cabins and structures that we could buy. And once I started looking at the website, it just seemed the most natural thing to go with. While we were looking for a cabin, one of the main issues that we were concerned with was size, and Dunster seemed to offer the biggest and most solid building for the size that we needed. On the day of delivery, we received a phone call and an email as well, sort of outlining what was going to happen and what time the delivery was going to arrive with us. The guys were very professional, helped out with the unloading, and away they went once they were finished. So with the help of sort of family and friends, we managed to get the thing put together by ourselves. Very easy process, the instructions were easy to follow. We managed to get the thing built in a day, really, ready to roof level, and within a couple of days we got the roof on and we were doing the finishing work. I think the important thing was getting the base right first, and once you've got everything sort of square and level, that everything was easy. It was an easy process to sort of build it on top of that then. It's been great from start to finish. We've got exactly what we wanted. One of the things that stuck out for us with the Dunster House cabin was the build quality and how solid the building was. It's like a big Meccano kit, so as long as you follow the instructions and you won't go wrong. Once everything starts to slot into place at the beginning, it becomes fairly sort of self-apparent where everything's going to go, so it's a fairly easy process to get the thing built. There's been a lot of good feedback from people that are coming in. Pretty much everybody says we should have done it years ago, which I think we should have done really. But it's just having the nerve to do something different with your business, you know. I have to say as well though, you're probably not going to ask me the question, but we went over to the showroom in Bedford, and we were met by a couple of great guys, put us at ease, showed us around the display models, and just found it a really professional company